How to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can stop Spotify from playing suggested songs, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Spotify application here. And once you launch your Spotify app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is, let's say that you just go ahead and then just happen to actually play a certain playlist here. Whenever you select a certain playlist, what happens over here is that instead of playing the song that is right after that playlist, it simply plays a suggested song. Now, if you want to play songs in any order, you have to actually turn off shuffle, which you can see the shuffle icon here. But if you want to turn off shuffle, you have to get the premium. So if you don't have premium, you can tap the explore premium tab over here, tap on the get premium option, and then you will be able to get Spotify premium. After you do that, you will be able to turn off shuffle, and then you'll be able to play songs in any order. This way you'll be able to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.